Question number 37. In a group of persons traveling in a bus, 6 persons can speak Tamil, 15 can speak Hindi, 6 can speak Gujarati. In that group, none can speak any other language. If 2 persons in the group can speak 2 languages only, and 1 person can speak all the 3 languages, then how many persons are there in the group? So here in a group, this we can do solve by drawing Venn diagram. In a group, 6 can speak Tamil. So I am representing that as n of t, which is equal to 6. Here 6 persons can speak Tamil, 15 can speak Hindi, and 6 can speak Gujarati. Then 15 can speak Hindi. And 6 can speak Gujarati. Then 2 persons in the group can speak 2 languages only. So here 2 persons can speak 2 languages only. So that you can take different combination possible here. Either that 2 persons can speak Tamil and Hindi, or Tamil and Gujarati, or Hindi and Gujarati. So here I am considering those 2 can speak Tamil and Hindi. So common area for Tamil and Hindi, those 2 can speak only Tamil and Hindi. So this area, this is common for only Tamil and Hindi. So that is equal to 2. Then 1 person can speak all the 3 languages. So common for all these 3 area equal to 3 set equal to this, and it is equal to 1. Then we have to find how many persons are there in the group. So here there are 6 people who can speak Tamil. Then 2 can speak Tamil and Hindi, 1 can speak all the languages. So how many people are there who can speak only Tamil? Deduct this 2 plus 1, 3. From 6 we get people who can speak only Tamil, which is equal to 3. 6 minus 3 equal to 3. Then number of people who can speak only Hindi equal to 15 minus 3, 12. And number of people who can speak only Gujarati, 6 minus 1. Here this 1 is common for Gujarati also. This 1 can speak all 3 languages. So number of people who can speak only Gujarati equal to 6 minus 1, which is equal to 5. Then total number of people in this group equal to this complete area. How many people are there in this complete area? All these values are independent. 3 is 3 equal to this 3 is number of people who can speak only Tamil. 2 is number of people who can speak only Tamil and Hindi. 12 is number of people who can speak only Hindi. 5 is number of people who can speak only Gujarati. And finally this 1 is number of people who can speak all the 3 languages. So adding all these values we get total number of persons in that group, which is equal to 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 12 plus 5 equal to 23. Our answer is option C, 23.